What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video. I just thought about it not too long ago, but I remember when I was little, my mother would occasionally make me syrup with the pancakes that I would make for breakfast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make blueberry syrup. So let's go over what we need. Okay, so to make syrup, blueberry syrup, you're obviously going to need blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use fresh. You also need sugar. You'll need water and vanilla extract. And what I mean by blueberry syrup, I'm talking about the type that you put on top of pancakes and waffles. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so you're going to need... Blueberry pancakes syrup is pretty easy to make. All you're going to need is a small saucepan, and you're going to mix half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of water, of warm water, and half a cup of sugar. Alright, so everything's mixed together, so I'm going to turn on the burner on low heat, and then you're going to mix together in a small saucepan for about 5 minutes. And you need to use a whisk or a fork, it doesn't matter, but either one will do. But you're going to mix and whisk together with a fork for about 5 minutes. Alright, so you got to let the sugar start to boil a little bit, so now you're going to increase the heat to medium, and then you're gonna bring it to a gentle boil, stir often, or until the syrup has been thickened. You're gonna set a timer for about 15 minutes. Okay, even though I set it to medium heat, the syrup appears to be thickening a heck of a lot faster. So if your syrup is thick enough before 15 minutes pass, just cut the burner and add half a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so considering the fact that the syrup had got a little too thick, I'm going to add it to a couple of pancakes I made, and I'm going to sample it. Okay, so this is how your final product should look like. So I'm going to sample the syrup, see how it turned out. I think I made some restaurant quality pancake syrup. Enough to give IHOP a run for its money. It would have been a heck of a lot. And a little tip when you put this homemade syrup on your pancakes, add some whipped cream, then things would really be full circle. Anyway, thanks for tuning in for today's cooking video, and I hope to see you next time.